Welcome to Acupuncture of Iowa. I wanted to make this video to give you a little bit of background about how we do things here and what to expect with your visits. So a lot of people are familiar with acupuncture, but the kind of acupuncture that we're using is very, very modern. We are combining the best of modern technology with the ancient wisdom of Chinese medicine to bring you what we think is going to be the most helpful approach to your problem. And so that involves using electrical stimulation on the needles, which is very, very gentle, and gradually improving your health so that you get stronger and stronger. And this way we can see all of your conditions getting better over time. Now, one of the questions people ask is, how does acupuncture actually work? And what it does really in our method is we're going to increase the voltage in your system. We're going to add resources for your body so that your body can gradually heal itself and get better on all levels. So how long will you need to come, you might wonder? Well, it really depends on the complexity of your problem, the overall health that you have going in, and how long you've had this issue. So if you sprain your ankle and you just need to have a little treatment of it, we can probably get you better in just a treatment or two. But if you've had your problem for 6 months to a year and your health isn't perfect, you need to consider that you're going to be coming for a month or two to reach your goal. If you've had your problem for more than a year or two and you're on multiple medications and your health is really not great, you need to be thinking about a more lengthy course of treatment to reach your goals, which could be 2 or 3 months or more, depending on the exact situation, and we determine that for every individual patient. So how will you know if it's working? Of course, we all want to have acupuncture be magic. We all are here because we have a problem that has not gotten better from other treatments. And so you want to see your problem get better right away. But what we know from experience is that it takes repetition of the message that acupuncture puts into your body. And so after the first visit, you might see a little bit of a change, and after the second, you might see more. And we know that acupuncture is cumulative. And so every visit is building on what we've accomplished in the prior visits. So we expect that you're going to see improvement little by little by little. The other thing that is very interesting is that we're going to be evaluating you through several different methods while you're here, and those methods will also show your benefit. So sometimes your symptoms are not the only thing that we're going to use to see how well you're doing. So how much money is this going to be? Of course, that's always a concern for everybody. Our basic acupuncture visits are $105 each time, and then at the first visit, because we spend some extra time with you doing our assessment, there's an additional charge for that assessment. And we understand that this is a sum of money that can be challenging for people. And so we've created several different programs that will save you money depending on how many visits you purchase at a time. And we can discuss that with you at your visit. The last question that people always want to know is about insurance. Does my insurance cover acupuncture? Well, this is a complicated question and answer, unfortunately. One of the big newses was that Medicare proclaimed they were covering acupuncture for low back pain in 2021. But the problem was they didn't tell you that the acupuncture had to be done by a medical doctor. And of course, they won't even tell you that now when you call. And so, unfortunately, acupuncturists like me are not qualified to be paid by Medicare at this time. However, some of the Medicare Advantage programs do have acupuncture coverage. So you have to call your program and the 800 numbers on the back of your card and ask for the specifics. In the case of other insurance programs, the majority of insurances do not cover acupuncture in Iowa at this time. And there are a variety of reasons why that is. But the best idea for everybody is to call the number on your back of your card and they will answer all of your questions. In any case, we do not accept insurance as payment for your care, and so we will provide you with all of the necessary documentation to send to your insurance company so that you can get reimbursed for your out-of-pocket expenses. I hope that answers some of your first questions about acupuncture, and thanks for being here.